In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add friends to Ride and Strava app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app to connect with people, join the right spaces, and get rolling together. First, open the Strava app on your phone. Give it a second to load so your feed and location-based suggestions are up to date. If you haven't used it in a while, it helps to be on the latest version so the buttons and menus look the same as what you'll see here. Next, head to the Groups area. On most screens, you'll find it in the bottom navigation bar labeled Groups. This is your hub for connecting with other athletes. Think of it as the place where Strava brings people together around shared goals, local communities, and group activities. Inside groups, you'll see two key sections, challenges and clubs. Challenges are time-bound goals, like completing a certain number of rides or miles within a set period. They're great for motivation, and they make it easy to rally friends around the same target. Clubs are ongoing communities, often local cycling groups, teams, or interest-based crews, where members post updates, organize rides, and share tips. Choose the path that fits what you want. If you tap into challenges, browse the options and pick one that matches your riding style or time frame. When you join a challenge, you can share it with friends so they can join too. That way, you're all working toward the same goal, comparing progress and encouraging each other along the way. Keep an eye out for an invite or share option inside the challenge. Sending that link is a simple way to bring friends aboard. If clubs are more your style, search for groups near you or by keyword. Open a club that looks active, glance at recent posts and events, and tap Join. Clubs often host regular rides, so joining puts you in the loop. Once you're in, you can invite friends to the same club by sharing the club link with them or telling them what to search for. The more of you in the same club, the easier it is to find rides happening at the right pace and time. Finally, join the Challenger Club that suits you, and then add friends to ride by inviting them into that same space. Coordinate in the comments, watch for posted ride times, and line up your schedules. That's it. Open Strava, go to groups, choose challenges or clubs, then join and bring your friends along so you can ride together.